Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to install PowerShell on Ubuntu. Follow the below steps. First, update the package list. For that, type sudo apt update. Second step, you need to install the required packages called GNUPG and apt-transport-https. Type install these both packages. Sudo apt install curl GNUPG and apt-transport-https. Third step, you need to snap package management system. For that, you need to install the snap. Sudo apt install snapd-y. Now find the PowerShell in the snap repository. For that, type sudo snap find PowerShell. Here you can see there are multiple PowerShells out there. So we need to install the classic one. So to install the classic one, type sudo snap install PowerShell --- classic. So once it is done, verify the installation using the following command: pwsh -f version. We have successfully installed the PowerShell on Ubuntu machine. Thank you.